Everyone, let's go up. Look at this indicator. Really amazing, right? Because the indoor indicator inside the lift will be looking very different. Oh, the other lift is coming. This one is coming. Yes, finally, this lift is where we're going. Look at this indicator. Which floor? Let's go to 4. Okay. I don't think I can close the doors. Look at this indicator. Really amazing. I'll show you a cab view when we arrive at the 4th floor. Okay? But I hope you look really happy, but don't be scared. But the cab may be scary. That's a warning. Okay? Oh my gosh. The lift sound, I can still hear it. Here's what I'm going to show you. Why is this button here? Here's a cab. Look at this cab. Let's get back to ground floor. Close the doors. Wait, it's illuminating green when you go there. But you know what? This is my favorite. I've seen this video in 2020 because it is the lift. Another one is not here, maybe, I guessed. And the indicator, look at this. Hitachi inspired X. This is the door. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.